Father shot and taken now, daughter injured in Trelawney robbery. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man was shot and taken out and his daughter shot and injured during a hold-up at a bar in Warsop, Trelawney on Thursday night. The deceased has been identified as Patrick Griffiths, a farmer of Warsop. Reports are that around 10 p.m. Griffiths and his daughter and a friend were at a bar when they were pounced upon by a gunman. The father reportedly told his daughter to run while he braced the door of the establishment to prevent the robbers from entering. The gunmen shot the father, who succumbed to his injuries before firing at the fleeing young woman, who was shot and injured also. The father and the daughter were taken to hospital where the father was pronounced dead and the daughter was treated and released. The attackers reportedly escaped on foot from the crime scene. They reportedly made off with an undetermined sum of money from the bar. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.